Your puffy face has nothing to do with fat. It's one mistake you make every single day. And note, this isn't genetics. It's not your age. And it's definitely not because you're meant to look like this. Two people can have the same body fat. One has a sharp jawline, the other has a round, bloated face. The difference is not weight. It's fluid retention, inflammation, and daily habits. Let me explain. First, dehydration. When you don't drink enough water, your body panics. So it starts holding water wherever it can, under your eyes, in your cheeks, around your jaw. That's why your face looks puffiest in the morning. The fix is simple but boring. Drink water consistently throughout the day, not all at once. Second, salt timing, not salt itself. Eating salty food late at night traps water in your face while you sleep. Your body doesn't get time to flush it out. So, you wake up looking swollen. Eat salty meals earlier. Let your body process it before bed. Third, poor sleep posture. Sleeping flat on your back with no elevation lets fluid settle into your face overnight. Slightly raise your head. This alone can change how your face looks in a week. Fourth, chronic inflammation. Alcohol, ultra-processed food, constant stress. These don't make you fat, they make your face hold water and swell. Here's the truth most people miss. A sharp face isn't built by starving yourself. It's built by reducing bloat, improving circulation, and fixing habits. Once you stop making this one daily mistake, your face starts looking leaner, even if your weight never changes. If this helped you, subscribe, because your face deserves better.